Are you guys there? Can you guys see me? Yes, I am late, and that is on me, guys. Can you guys hear me? Mic check. 1, 2, 3. Let's get dialed in. Let's get ready. Yes, you guys can hear me. Bro, I had a nice weekend. I'm sleeping in late. Alright, gappers, real quick. Hold on. What do we got? LOGC. Somebody name him out for me. Somebody name him out. LOGC. ATXI again. LYWR. WLDS. Geez, sorry guys, sorry guys. CSCW. Okay, hold on. Am I missing any of these? No, guys, no, guys. CSCW, I got that. FNGR, CLVS, I do not have that. CLVS, and then ATXI again. Which one looks the best, real quick? We got about 40 minutes. I think FNGR is one play that Friday started popping up, so it's already going this morning. Let me take a look at the daily real quick. So 434 high from previous, from Friday. 434, so looking for 450 break. 434 high, 450 break. That's FNGR. Wow, is that the overall market? No, that was just Tesla. What the heck? Okay, FNGR looks okay at open. What was the other stock? LOGC? Nope, not looking at that one. I'm not even going to look at that one. ATXI doesn't look bad. ATXI popped up to another high. It's even going to pop up to a high just now. And then FNGR, even if I was here with time, I don't think I would have taken that trade there. There's no way I'd take that 1 minute high. ATXI though, what a move on ATXI. ATXI, we could look for the bounce of 1231, which is the previous high on the day for Friday. And then FNGR still going a little bit more. There's a 450 that we were looking for on FNGR. Let's see if we bounce off of 435 and get a 450 on this one. FNGR looking for 435 bounce, previous high of day. Squeeze back up to 450. Let's see if we get this bounce here. Taking that trade there. Looking for that 450 bust. Looking for 450 bust. There it is, 449. Descaling, didn't break it. Even if I'm late, guys, even if I'm late, I'm still here to make money, guys. Even if I'm late, I'm still here to make some money. 450, there it is. Can we break 450 or can we not? Can we break 450 or not? I'm sorry, guys. I legit lost track of time, and then I looked at the clock, and it was 8:23, and I was like, holy crap. Man, 850 is kind of strong, but I just want to see if I get one last squeeze with these shares here. There it is. I'm just going to sell. I'm out. $160 on that trade. Okay, time to settle in, settle down. Pay attention to what I'm doing. Okay, so FNGR, so far I got a new high there. ATXI. Oh, ATXI is already going for it. I kind of wanted ATXI to pull back and give us that retest of 1231. WLDS doesn't look the best. What was the other gappers? WLDS. No, YouTube today. What do you mean? YouTube should be live. What's up, my YouTube people? Yes, I was a little late, but my YouTube should be on. Yeah, it's on. It's on. ATX high, 42% profit for Rafiki. Okay. Man, FNGR is still going. I think a little bit. I don't know if this thing has a lot more room on the daily or not. Today is October 1st. New month, guys. New month. We're going to see if we can scale up this month. CSCW was another one. I think Abe Trades called this one out as well. I'm just going to throw it on the side just for now. CS. No. Yeah, CSCW. Let me see. Today's October 3rd. Oh, yeah. I'll scale up if the opportunity is there. Not scaling up on nasty setups. I know, I meant like, dang, FNGR just ripping. I don't see, I mean, I'm looking at the daily on FNGR, and I mean, I don't see a clear, obvious resistance up here. I see $5. Man, this thing is flying. Did not expect this. I did not expect this. I will say that. I mean, I guess we're looking for $5 now, but we need a little bit of a better pullback, a bigger pullback. So now we would want to see the 5-minute pullback on this ATXI 1-minute flag. ATXI is dying with volume. Although that rejection up there at 1545 had pretty decent volume. What are the other stocks you guys have on? Oh, FNGR right back up to $5. Look at that. Yeah, sniper trades. Good job, man. That was a trade there. 450. Just there was nothing on that one besides chasing. I think my wife has been leaving at like 4 in the morning, and so it like wakes me up, and then therefore it like threw me off, and I couldn't go back to sleep, and then I was tired, and I don't know what happened. I don't know if I just didn't hear my alarms. I don't know if I just snoozed them and forgot about them. I don't know what happened. Well, FNGR is looking for $5, but I don't know where the entry is. We would want to see this thing pull back a little more, and then ATXI is also kind of pulling back here. You could probably try to take some trades here. I don't know if I like that it's under VWAP. I would take a 1231, probably a little bit more confident on this one. But for FNGR to be this close to $5, I think FNGR is more likely to be your top play down up here. Just wait for that pullback. Look at this. Even the 1-minute candle straight up. Okay, FNGR finally, a red candle. Let's see if we get another one up here. If we get a pullback. Where is, well, 450 is way down there, but let's see if FNGR gives us another pullback. That red candle there had pretty low volume compared to all day. Let's see if we flag on FNGR. I want to see this low volume flag. FNGR looking for the little flushes, little pullback. That wasn't even a pullback, bro. That wasn't even a pullback, man. Let's see if we get a bounce of 5. Nope. What is this? What was that? Did anybody get in there? Did anybody take that trade there? If you were waiting for the let me say, for the best setup on that stock and you missed it, that's okay, because the only way you would have taken that trade right there is if you chased that top break of 5 or anything like that, and you know you're playing a little bit riskier. But hey, I mean, if you're in here right now, good job. I see CSCW trying to go for it. CSCW has a previous high of 1.7. TS84 is in since 450. Yeah, good to see a spike though. Looking at CSCW, this was another gapper. We got a high of 170 from the last 5 days. Although this one looks pretty being down on the daily. You have a pretty nice resistance at 162, so it's going to be hard to get through that actually. Yeah, I see it. Well, I don't know that I see it's like a tiny gap fill, right? But 162 is where the other end is. Your cat threw up and you missed it. I know that feeling. This crypto wire. YouTube people, let me see. How are you guys doing? I haven't gotten to say good morning, everybody. I was running a little late this morning, but hey, there's a lot of you guys over there. So good morning, J Money, Jesse, Mr. B, Ride the Lightning, John, AJ, SB, Rob S. Good job, guys. If you took that break of 5 on FNGR, good job, good job. The FNGR is halted, yeah. What do y'all think about ATXI? ATXI, if we get a nice pop with volume, kind of reclaiming. Oh, here we go. Here goes ATXI again. Let's see if we reclaim this $14 right here. ATXI, I want to see if we start holding $14, if we start holding this VWAP here. This first push here had pretty nice volume. The second one, I want to see it do the same thing, or unless we just spike up right up to new high, kind of what Friday's trade was. Wow. This is not one to chase yet. Let's see if it holds up. Let's see if it closes high. Let's see if it gives a pullback. This is not a trade like yesterday where I was able to chase it all the way at the top. So let's keep watching. If it starts doing this, then maybe, yeah, looking at 1550 break. Oh, wow. Well, I don't know that I like that now. And then CSCW, the one that I was looking up here at 170, pulling back. You might be able to take a dip trade down here on this one, on CSCW. What's up, James? To Mimi everywhere. Ape Trace, which one did you get screwed on? Just right there on ATXI? You were up 100 and then it flushed. Yeah. So I've only taken one trade so far. I wish I would have held it a little longer because it was FNGR trading it down here. And this thing, there was no stopping this thing. I mean, I was looking for at least a 1 minute pullback here. One candle, two candles there. And give me that new high. But it only pulled back once. One candle in the first like 10 candles. I mean, if this thing wants to open up, what's the high? $17? There's no way. Oh, it's open. Going for another leg. Wow, that's insane. Is anybody actually holding ATXI right now? I'm kind of upset now. I'm kind of a little bit salty on ATXI. What's up, bro? You trading futures? No, I'm trading stocks. I am honestly a little salty about FNGR. Good job, Sniper Trades. Good job, man. Sniper Trades already up over $1,000 on the day. Beat is still kind of hovering under high of days. So I'm going to keep an eye on Beat. Rafiki got out at 15 on ATXI. Okay, okay. Wow, a lot of us weren't in on, or I don't think any of us were in on FNGR. From 995, did you hold from like previous day or you got in this morning? Rafiki. That's got to be one of the trades. Ape Trades, are you still here, Ape Trades? FNHC. Okay, was it a big loss, Ape Trades, or something manageable still? Oh, oh, I see. FNHC. Minus 140. Okay, that's not bad. FNHC, kind of lower play, but looking at high of day as well. This one has room on the daily, too. Yeah, it halted again. What's up, Alec, Louisiana? You should have been in. Should have been in on FNGR, yeah. ATXI is too choppy right now. You could catch a little bit of a bounce here. VWAP $14 and see if you get a high, but it is pretty choppy. Look at this top wick. Look at this bottom wick. Another topping tail. And then FNGR, I mean, I like that we're seeing this. I like that first day of October you get a stock out of the gates go up for over $1.50 a share. SNTI, somebody calling SNTI. Rob, it looks like took 87 cents on FNGR. SNTI has that high of 266. This morning spiked up to 262. And then Beat has a high of 472. So two stocks that are close to highs. One of them is SNTI and the other one is Beat. 472 for Beat and then 266 for SNTI. Entry 224 for SNTI. Oh, Rosendo is already in on SNTI at 224. Wow, good entry, Rosendo. ATXI, I wonder why, like, this stock was doing fine Friday, all that stuff, and then pre-market this morning decides to make the biggest move it's put in yet. Why is it halting? Just a lot of volume came in on FNGR, so they halted. I honestly, by the way, be careful with Fed speech again. What time? Another one. Another one. I'm kind of hoping it's FNGR on a 10-minute hold. No, it's just resumed right now. But watch this, guys. If you're in here, I would be taking my profits because this thing about to flush. This thing is up a lot. Financial juice. I honestly don't know if this thing comes back down to 5 and bounces or if this thing is done for the day. You know, a lot of the times you see these crazy moves, they come right back down and that's it. And that is it for these stocks like this. That's why I don't like. That's why I was like a little frustrated that this thing didn't pull back at all. I mean, it just ran out of the gates, but it's a good thing to squeeze shorts out, but not enough for everybody else because now this may not put in another leg. Looking at SPY, we have a pretty obvious falling wedge on SPY, and we are at the top of it again. So if we break out of this, we might break up to the top side and have a nice little bit of a run. And then after that, I probably will look to reshort again. FNGR, highest volume, 1 minute candle just happened right now on that red candle there. What's up, guys? Good morning. What's up, D? What are you guys looking at now? FNGR, maybe you get a spike down to 5, but that's a little bit of a iffy play. Beats kind of still holding VWAP, but not really moving. CSCW holding VWAP, same thing, kind of not really moving. That one has a high of 1.7. Juan, can you speak to why you show all trades on the tape? I have it to filter only 100 shares or more. I don't know. I've always done it like that, and I just got used to it. And I don't want to mess it up, like in case it messes with my like the way I look at it or something like that. So it's just how I always had it. I found I didn't. First of all, what do you think about trading bots to tell you when to sell buy? No, don't do that. They probably don't work at all. Another one, Uchihan. What's up, Eric? How are you, man? Um, it's just something that I've been used to CryptoWire, and honestly, I didn't even know you could filter it until literally like whenever Blair brought it up not too long ago that I knew you could filter it, and so at that point I was right. FNCH still looking for this high here of 38 cents on FNCH. This either might spike to a high or flag here for me one more time so I can jump in. Looking for 38 on this one, and maybe this thing pulls away 40, 50 cents. We don't know. Let's see this. Well, it's already going to make a new high, and I'm not in it. Let me see if I at least can catch a little bit of a bounce here. And then that push for high of day. I'm just looking for the new high. There it is. Sell half there. Still moving up. There's a 41, a little bit of a spike there again. There we go, 40, 45, 41.5. Do we keep moving higher? Small trade here, but do I get another $100 out of it? Retest of that previous high right there. Pulling back a little too much. Yep, I'm out. Wow, I lost half of that profit there. That thing completely reversed. I don't even know what the float on this one is, honestly. I just saw it earlier. I don't even know where I saw it. I think somebody commented also. It wasn't on my scanner. Well, FNGR is not flushing. CSCW breaking downtrend. I see it. I see it. I don't know which stock is top watch right now. Beat that I was looking at kind of flushed down. SNTI also I was looking here, kind of trying to hold VWAP flush down. CSCW may go for it. This one has the what is this? The 1.7 high. This one has a high of 1.7. Crypto or forex? This no stocks. None of the above. I don't know what the crypto are. I don't know where the float is. Oh, actually, no. They're asking about FNHC, not FNGR. Which indicators do you consider the most important when trading? Honestly, I wouldn't say any of them are really important. Like, I don't really base my entries off of a indicator. Unless you consider time and sales and level 2 indicators, which I don't know what they would be classified, then those two, but other than that, not really. You could try just the 920 and VWAP, I guess. I mean, VWAP is a very strong indicator just because almost everybody, I bet, has a VWAP on their charts. Float 14 million. Thank you, CryptoWire. Thank you. Yeah, Ape Trades. Wonder why it's FN. Maybe because it's cheap. FNCH. You might have it filtered to over $1 or something because it's only 35 cents. Maybe that's another reason why. ATXI is still consolidating right over highs, but I mean, that's why. Okay, yeah. This is pretty choppy here. This one and FNGR both look pretty choppy. I feel like any of these right here could spike up tiny bit and then flush really hard. Actually, SNTI recovered that little bit of a flush it just put in. And this one I'm looking at 266 high. Well, guys, how was everybody's weekend? I didn't get in here enough to chat with you guys this morning. So, how was everybody's weekend? Anybody here for the first time? Anybody here on stream here for the first time? Whether it's Tradecaster, TikTok, or YouTube. Nice crypto. 4040. YouTube AAJ, first time. I think I saw one of your comments, man. I think I saw one of your comments. Thanks for joining us live. Sorry I was a little late this morning, but thank you. Thoughts on SPY today? Thinking 52-week low today? No, I don't think so. I don't think today is the day we drop. I think we've dropped a lot recently. I think we pull up a little bit. We have a nice little run. It could possibly be 360s, 70s, 80s. But I don't expect this SPY to turn around and keep going to highs. So I think we get a nice little bounce here and then continue lower. I mean, unless it really does collapse, but I do think we see a little bit of a relief bounce first and then slam back down. I'm not in Florida. First time for Oyston as well. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Mercer took FNGR. FNGR down a 5. I could take a trade. This thing is iffy though. So looking at FNGR, honestly, it's kind of bouncing off on the 5-minute as well here. Let's see if a lot of buyers step in down there closer to 5. I'm seeing a lot of sell on the tape, but let's see if we get another spike down closer to 5 and get an entry on this one down here. I just don't know how much this one can bounce though. From 5 all the way to 6.2, is that possible? I was looking for $5 and this thing spiked down to 5.05. If this goes back up to 6.2, I might be a little salty. We do have a break of downtrend as well. So pretty soon here we might be making a decision on FNGR. Do we break out of this downtrend here or out of this support here and flush, maybe even catch a halt with this stock, or do we get on the other side of this and start making that move back up? Mercer took us off. Was that a small green trade? I mean, we almost tried buying it down there. Would have been up 20 cents. First time and subscribe, by the way. Awesome, Seed. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, guys, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can catch us every morning. I will be on 15 minutes before tomorrow. Today I just kind of got a little sleepy head, you know, the weekend, long weekend. Yeah, I think FNGR is a little bit of time to let it just do what it wants. Didn't pick me up at 505. I didn't either. And I've mentioned that when they go up like this, super crazy like that, a lot of times, I mean, unless it's a really, really hot market, they'll flag and make that next leg. But this to me seemed like a lot already, especially in the first 15, 20 minutes of market open. That thing just didn't look back. ADTX. Okay, ADTX. ADTX looking for $4. Looking for $4 and 412 new high from Thursday. Do we flag here? What is this pivot here? 375 pivot from yesterday's high. Do we flag down to that pivot? Whoa. Cancel that. ADTX looking for this thing to flag here, looking for $4 and 412 new high from Thursday. And then 375 is a high. It's a pivot high right here, 375 from yesterday's high as well. So I want to see if the stock pulls back down here. We can get a good entry down here and then see if we get that move up to $4 for 12. Good call, Timmy. Good call. I want that pullback though. I don't really want to buy it right here. Good morning, Singito. Oh, that was a lot of selling there actually. The second this popped up here, time and sales instantly went red. Let's be careful. I'll still take it if I get a nice little dip of like 375 or even a little lower on this one. Although I did that was a lot of sellers over there. 395, it spiked up and it got pretty heavy real quick. Here's a little bit of a spike, 375, and see, wow. I mean, honestly, I don't know if that's a good buy or not. 5-minute chart has a lot of red volume there. I'm honestly, it still doesn't look bad to me. You made back a little bit. Ape trades, good job, good job. No, now ADTX is pulling back too much. No trades for me. I almost took that trade there, but no trades for me. This thing was looking pretty nice. I mean, you got a daily pivot from yesterday, and then you have the nice push up. You have an obvious target, $4, 412 there. Daily pivot pulls back, but this thing started pulling back too aggressively that I'm not liking it. John also got caught in that flush that red flag ADTX, yeah, that ape trace caught on ATXI. That one, I mean, I was kind of saying it when I was in it. I was like, this is not the move to chase. The other one on Friday was a move to chase like that. But this one, just the way it was happening today, first 10 minutes of market open, you know, there's going to be a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers. You're not going to get a clean squeeze like that out of nowhere. SNTI kind of recovered and then beat again. FNGR might play. It's not crypto, it's stocks. I think I'm probably up shy of $200. I am going to try to scale up slightly, a little bit this month. Not anything super big noticeable, but hopefully at least a little bit. As long as plays are still happening. But I think I tried it a little bit beginning of September and August, and I just got burned right away. And so I went back to normal share size. I recovered it. Still came up profit both of those months. Decent profits too, but too late for spy calls. I would, yeah. If you're well, your break ADTX. Look at that bounce there. So this is what I got on SPY, guys. So here's the downtrend on SPY, and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's exactly where we are right now. This is a little falling wedge you can see right here on the 1 hour time frame that if we break out of this, I expect a nice little push back up, maybe up to these levels here, like 380, 370. Here is where I'll look for that next reshort entry. But if you wanted SPY calls, you would have to get them like down low, which this was pre-market, post-market, impossible to get options there. I will say I was looking at some of my metrics, and even though August, September, and October were some of the slowest months we've seen, September for sure, I think I did pretty good. I think I did pretty good. So we just gotta focus on the quality traits. Look at SNTI. That's why it needs volume choppy. Yeah. FNGR still looks nice. Which one did I just look at? ADTX. A still looks iffy. A CW, LDS. I think it was another gapper trying to pop up and reclaim VWAP on that one too. Did FNGR have news? Or this one had the news on Friday? Man, this thing literally squeezed all morning. Like the first 30 minutes, the stock just squeezed. You also have to keep in mind that this thing was running since Friday, and Friday the stock was literally trading at $1.70. Now it's trading at 6. You know, so that's a pretty big move. I don't know if this thing has another big giant move like that. FNGR taking my green and walking. Thanks, Juan and FNGR. Good job, Robus. No news, said AAJ. SNTI, somebody just said be careful with that one, and it just stopped. Oh, Rosendo's 10 cents stop. Hey, that's not a bad stop, though. 10 cents. Good way to manage your risk, Rosendo. Good way. See you later, Rob. Thanks for coming on the stream. WLDS. This stock here. Oh, it looked better on the 5-minute. I was like, this one's trying to take over VWAP, but it looked way better on the 5. FNGR around 5. Now, not that I'm saying you're too late to spike calls. I mean, if that thing breaks out of that falling wedge, it'll have a nice bounce, so your spike calls will do good, but it's obviously more risky now that you're up there already. It's kind of a breakout on SPY, as opposed to taking the bottom of that wedge, looking for that breakout. 510 isn't a bad entry on FNGR. The whole time we're holding ADMA on the 5, so I feel like if we flush through this, we won't be holding the ADMA. Well, there goes WLDS again. And ADTX, I'm still looking for ADTX to reclaim 375, yesterday's high, and see if ADTX can make a move to 4 and 412. I see you guys have my momentum scanners. So I see MYOV. Let me take a look at the MYOV. Take a look at this. Why can't I? MYOV. That's exactly what I typed. Little pricier stock here. Is anybody adding on FNGR down here? If we can hold 5, yeah. It's tempting, I'm not gonna lie. It's tempting to take a trade down here at 5. With this private meeting and stocks pulling, I'll just wait. Rosenda took a small entry at 506 there. Good job, Rosenda. You're already 10 cents in the profit. You placed another entry 551. Zach, I think it's... Wait, is Zach in here this morning? I don't think I've seen his name. I was about to call him out on something, but I don't think Zach is in here. I haven't seen his name. Maybe Zach is not with us today. ADTX again over 375. $551 is safe to me because most likely it will cause more short covering in a FOMO. Yeah. Sniper Trades again calling out his trades. 551 entry on FNGR. This is stock trading. Finally, somebody who understands. Asim Khan, you're the first guy ever on TikTok to come in here and say, is this stocks? And actually be right. Good job, man. Okay, FNGR. Where's 550? There's 550. FNGR. Good job, Rosendo. If you're still in this, maybe 20 cents there of profit. If this candle here, I mean, you could see the clean downtrend. If this does not take us to another leg, even retest, still hold $5, hold this downtrend. If this doesn't take us to a new high, this stock is dead. John, did you take any pre-market trades this morning? Obviously, I wasn't able to check them because well, you know what happened. Yeah, let's not talk about it. But did you take any trades this morning? ADTX again, nice little pop. ADTX looking for $4, looking for 412. Kind of a downtrend here. Let's see if we break out of this downtrend on ADTX. This could even be almost looks like a little ad here ish close. Rosendo taking his money off the table. Good job. Small hits add up. Small hits add up. Good trade though, Rosendo, nailing that bottom on that one. I'm looking at ADTX. ADTX got pretty heavy earlier, closer to $4. So a lot of red volume came in there. But we're still holding up here, down here. Check Wingstop. I've been trading for almost 3 years. Or 3 years now. And because I'm a crypto trader though, not a pro, but it's still different from that. I do not trade crypto, no. Stocks is so much better. Stocks is way better than anything. AAJ needs to break 995 first. Oh, this 395. Yeah, but you know that's where the shorts are. So a lot of times, if you can anticipate a trade, even if they don't break 395, you can at least also sell at 395 with them. You know what I'm saying? ADTX buyer 19K at 376. I did not see that. So here goes ADTX. FNGR now exactly at $5. If we miss a break of 4 on ADTX, I would look to hold $4 and take the trade up to 412. So 412 is a high. $4 is just a whole dollar psychological number, which could be another 10 cents there if we get that trade. Seth took FNGR at 510. Okay, looking for this thing to bounce and recover. Eshal, hello. Beat also kind of coming back up. Beat reclaiming VWAP. Let me look if that. See, yeah, this is decent volume on Beat. Beat had pretty good resistance up here at 450, so let's see if we can break that 450, and then 472 is highs on Beat. So now Beat back on top watch. Looking for 450 to break on Beat, and then get that 472 new high on this one. We want a little bit of a pullback though. No, I didn't watch since about 6-ish, but nothing was assuring enough to get in except it takes like 10 minutes before market open, but I missed it. Beat, what a nice recovery on Beat. Let's see if we get a pullback here. Look at break of 450 and see if we get that move up to 472 new high on Beat. So Beat top watch, ADTX top watch, FNGR looking at dips. Seth got out on FNGR already. Okay. AAJ saying FNGR could flush, and that's what I'm scared on FNGR, that it'll flush and halt down. No news and up like $5 from Friday. Beat looking pretty good though for the break of 450 again. Look at this volume on this 1 minute candle now here. I would want to catch a little bit of a dip here to anticipate that 450 break, but this might just go like this without us. Oh, there goes the flush on FNGR. Good job to stopping out, Seth. Good job. ATXI, what the heck? Look at ATXI again, guys. What the heck? Shoot, ATXI now might squeeze to a new high. This is insane. Man, this is a risky play again, though. I don't know if I want to do it on a Monday, first day of trading of a new month. So, looking at ATXI and looking at beat 450 break ATXI. Let's just see if we get a big squeeze, retest $14 or something like that, and get the move back up to new high of day. This is holding here still. Beat broke 450. My wife is here. What's my nickname, guys? Dang, I feel like I haven't called you that in a while. I feel like we haven't called you that in a while. Okay. Green Goblin. Wow, ADTX not wants to put in this. No, not ADTX. Sorry, beat. Beat looking for 472. She's laughing. Nice. Beat looking for 472 new high, but this is a chase here too. Let's see if we just get a nice little flag here. 30 seconds left on this candle. No, this is going to squeeze to new high, but I want to get in here on beat after the break of 450 instantly 472. Let's see if we get a 1 minute, 2 minute flag up here. And just get this squeeze through 472. If this gets momentum as well, this might even break through, go all the way up to 5. Candle here going to close pretty soon. If we get a spike down to 450, that might be an entry on beat. Candle close. What happened? Trying to catch a beat here for the break of highs. Add a small share size in the red. I want to catch a little bit of a better add. Holding this 1 minute pullback. Man, this stock is like literally like freezing. Looking for the break of 472. Here it comes. There's a new high. There we go. Do we explode after it? Don't let this flush. Don't let this flush. 500 shares left. Looking for the extension off of 472. See if we get the move all the way up to 5 or something up there. What is this candle's low? 467. So I'm going to put my stop under that candle there, which is above break even. Let's see if we get the extension. Let's see if beat pulls away. Let's see if beat. There it is. 479. There it is. There it is. Sell a little bit up there. 200 shares left. This is the extension I was looking for. Unfortunately, I sold a little bit too much of my shares, and I never added full share size. Never got a 1 minute pullback. Look, we had all green candles. I wanted 1, 2 pullback, anything like that to keep going on this thing. But now we're looking for $5. Let's see if we can get a little bit more aggressive. Look, get another flag. Anything up to $5. Beat. We were saying it all day, calling it all day long. Give us another little flush. Down retest 472. I will gladly add more. I want to see if this one gets up to $5. I have a target of $5 on this one. I still have shares from my first trade, but I'm looking to add on this one and see if we move up a little bit more. ATXI could not get that squeeze through there. $4.98 seller on beat. How do you see that high, Tamimi? How are you looking at those things? Let's see if we get a nice little bit of a pullback here again. Well, that's where I meant to add, not up there. Low volume pullback here, just seeing if this turns around. I added too high. I should have added down there. But this is the little bit of a pullback that I wanted to hold and recover back up. Oh, I got a little aggressive there. This could either flush or could either rip. Not sure, not sure. 10 seconds left on this candle here. If we close above 472, that'll be good, and see if we get the next leg up. A lot of buyers stepped in there at the end. Let's see if we get the next leg up here. If not, I will take these shares out of the table and avoid a flush here. There we go, there we go, there we go. Let's see if it keeps squeezing. Doesn't want to. I'm going to cut it. It's a little tricky. It's kind of like low volume. So candles aren't moving. Candles aren't cleanly moving. And so it's like boom, 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 boom. And you know, and you see that? It spikes down and then instantly recovers. So the volume is iffy on it. So not my favorite. But, you know, still, I think I gave back probably like $40, $50 off the top. I was up 160 on it. I would still be interested to see if this thing flags more. Look at this low volume here. I want to see this thing flag more, and still looking for $5. Still, yeah. Oh, AAJ is also calling out. Rome C, good morning. Why is everybody asking about Wingstop? What is Wingstop's ticker? What is Wingstop's ticker? I'm still looking at B, little bit of a flag here. This doesn't look bad. I want to catch a little flag, see if we get a low volume pullback and then rip to 5. I tried buying there, did not get filled. Didn't want to mark it in on that one, so I tried buying the bid, did not get filled. For everybody asking what ticker I'm on TikTok, you guys can see it at the bottom. It's kind of over the chat, but you guys are able to see it down there because I'm switching stocks a lot, and so I don't know. I try to call them out as I switch. Man, that was a buy down there on beat. Wing? Yeah, why is everybody calling out Wing? I guess I could have guessed that ticker. I mean, it's okay. You're kind of at support, trendline support, kind of bouncing off 800 ADMA. But you know, in this market, I don't expect anything to really go up for new highs. You know, unless they're inverses or stuff like that. I'm still looking at beat. Well, that was a little rejection there. I'm in GBP, JPY long. I am not trading Forex. Justin Hart, my bad, man. My bad. Why'd you come in here and throw shade at me, bro? I honestly did. I lost track of time. I got up a little too late. Nothing special about Wing, yeah. I got too late, up a little late. You know, I'm sorry. Won't happen again. I'll be here 15 minutes before tomorrow. My bad, guys. My bad. I was still here like 5 minutes before the open though, so I took an opening trade. Um, Actually, I don't think I've taken a red trade today. No, I just saw MLCO shoot an alert for me. 717. So MLCO just shot up an alert. 717 is high, and this stock is trying to get $7 right now, so it's pretty close. Trades that I'm still looking at: beat for the break of 5. See if we flag, get a $5 break. WLDS and the other gapper kind of slowly, quietly moving over here. Still got a lot of room to a new high, but you know, could have taken some nice trades. Look at these. Look at this pivot here. You see high, high, breaks out of it, comes back, tests that pivot, tests VWAP, and then takes off. Can you teach me how to trade? Yes, I can. I have a, unfortunately, um, unfortunately, I can't do it free for everybody, but I do have my course. You're seeing me trade live completely in front of you, so you know I'm legit making real money. I have my course that teaches you everything you need to learn, and then any questions you have, you always have me to help you along the way. If you want, are you interested, check the bio in TikTok and then type in 150 off for the discount on the checkout page. You get $150 off. I was just worried something bad happened to you. Glad you're okay. No, I'm good, man. I think what messed me up a lot was my wife has been leaving earlier this morning, and so she left the house at like 4:30 in the morning, which is really early. I mean, really early, and it woke me up, and I was just kind of up, couldn't fall asleep a little bit after that, and then at that point, I don't know, I don't know if I heard my alarm and snoozed it or just did not hear my alarm, but you know, sometimes your body just knows when it needs to wake up, and so I woke up, I looked at the clock, it said 8:22 or 8:23, and I was like, and so I sprinted over here and got on and still started the stream and stuff and was able to be here before market open. Slightly, like 2-3 minutes before market open. And now I am sitting at, actually I don't know how much profit I'm sitting at. I am sitting at, see, people tell you trading is hard. I woke up 5 minutes before the bell. 5 minutes before the bell today, and it's been an hour. Oh, there goes beat. Hold on. Let's talk about that later. We gotta focus. Dang it, this was a move we were looking for on beat. Beat, we're looking for a $5. See how choppy it is, though? This is a choppy stock. This is choppy. It's gonna hit 5. I know it's gonna hit 5. It might squeeze after 5, but I can't take a super choppy, not higher risk play. It's not moving cleanly. See, it goes boom, 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 boom. Not Oh, there's a 498 somebody was saying where the sellers were. I just thought about that. And I'm still up now $317. Woke up 5 minutes before the bell and up $300 on the day. Who said day trading was hard and impossible? Ah, this is too easy, man. This is too easy. Why are stocks better than crypto? I don't know. I've never traded crypto, so I wouldn't be able to tell you. Obviously, I'm going to be biased and just say stocks is the best because that's where I make all my money from. So, oh yeah, sniper trades, 501 entry. Yeah. Stop 488. So give yourself 12 cents of stop, and then looking for 25 to 48 profit. That's a very nice risk reward play. Beat keeps holding high of day and increasing volume. Yeah. ADTX has potential. We were looking at ADTX. ADTX, I'm looking for the break of 4, hold 4 up to 412, which 412 is high. Somebody answered your question for you, said stocks have lower shares and move more easily. Crypto is a long game. There you go. And that's coming from a crypto specialist. Their name is literally CryptoWire. So, If you can't trust her, I don't know who you can, man. Like 5, 10 years. I'm guessing Blair is on crypto and down maybe a little bit. Nice AD. There's Zach. Zach in the house. Where you been at, Zach? I'm calling you out, bro. Putting you in the spot. Called you like 10 times earlier. I had a wedding this weekend. Ape Trades is on the long haul for crypto as well. Are you doing this full time? Yes, this is what I do full time. How much is your portfolio and how much you put per trade or how much capital you use daily? I'm not telling you how big my portfolio, and it depends on what stock, right? If I buy 1,000 shares of a $4 stock, that's $4,000. If I buy 1,000 shares of this stock here, which is $15, that's $15,000. Two different stocks. I'm still taking 1,000 share position. One of them I'm going in with 4,000. One of them I'm going in with 15,000. Completely different. No resistance so far above 498 if it breaks. What do you recommend to learn? What do you mean? Like stocks, crypto, or Forex? I mean, obviously stocks. Beat, we could flag here on beat. Tiny little flag here. And let's see if we anticipate that break of 5. I just do not want to get it caught in a flush. Let's see if we just get this trend line touched. That would be the only thing. If we get down here, kind of tip that trend line there. Let's see if we take a trade down there and anticipate the break of 5. I see 3, 4 candles getting stuffed right at 5, so I got to be careful here. Yeah, stocks. Bitcoin should hit 250 by 2025. Take your profits though when it breaks all-time highs again though. Beat, these two candles have no volume here. These two red candles here have no volume. That's a good thing. Let them pull back. Let them have low volume. Sellers not moving at 498. How are you seeing that? See, I don't see anything on level 2 at 498. Or on my active trader ladder. It's spiking up to 498 though. Oh, I saw it there at 300. There it is. Yep. Dang. Actually, I think it was like, yeah, it was yesterday, Sniper Trades. Yesterday, my wife, because you know she's leaving early, she's tired of it. She was like, I don't want to go tomorrow. I don't want to go tomorrow. And I was like, just don't. She was like, yeah, can I stay here and trade with you? And I was like, yeah, if you want to trade, I'll put you to trade. She was like, nah, I'll lose all your money. That'd be funny, though. I've seen people do videos like that where they let completely non-traders trade, and it's funny. Zach, are you still in on ADTX? ADTX flag looking not so bad. You know, following kind of uptrend here, flagging right under 4. I missed this last play just now on beat, kind of a risky play there. I mean, I was looking for a pullback here, and if it didn't pull back there enough, didn't take my trade, but could have flushed through me there too. But I was looking for that $5 break, which we got it just now. So I don't even know what I was gonna call you for earlier, Zach. That I was calling you out this morning, and I was like, I don't know if Zach is in here or not. What are we looking? What FNGR? Yeah, see that. I don't know how. I mean, not that I knew exactly what was gonna happen, but all morning I said FNGR. The way it just pulled up this morning and not in a hot market, this stock just almost is not looking for a second leg. If it pulls up that much, buyers already made their money. Especially Friday was up a lot. You know, I don't know that I was expecting another play on this. And you could have still taken the dips here, there, you know, there, still being able to get a break-even stop or a little bit of profit. But I was not. I don't think I was looking on this one for it to go 6, 7, 8. You know. FNGR, you got it for the break of 5. That was good, man. Good job. This one, I got it at the very opening. I took 2,500 shares there. I wish I would have held them all. Look at that. Crazy. Oh, it looks like ADTX flushed on Zach. Dang it. Oh, Zach, I think I was going to complain that it was so cold this morning that I needed to turn, like, my little hand heater on. And I was just calling you out because you always like, bro, it's way colder over here than where I'm at. And obviously I'm complaining about being cold, so. What chaff start? Where is this? Thinkorswim. Ape Trades, are you still on chat? I just saw your DM. At least so far, I'm getting a better start to the month. Mid 60s. Yeah, no way. AJ, I think FNGR only went because there was nothing else in that price range. What does my wife work at? My wife does not work. She is in school. What's up, Sam Sneed? Good morning, boss. Just got here. Any nice tickers? Um, Beat is the one that kind of just went a little bit. Kind of holding 5 again, actually, too. So this thing might put in another leg. Although it's a little extended, a little bit. But, yeah, there's a flush. Was looking at ADTX. Thought we had ADTX flagging for us here, looking for the break of $4 and 412. Didn't happen. Inverse head and shoulders on ATXI. ATXI has a pretty clean downtrend. ATXI, get over that downtrend and then you can look for a trade. Or honestly, if you want to take a trade on this one, you could look for that bottom touches on this trend line here and kind of bounce between this pennant. A little bit risky though, especially ATXI. This thing can do one of these things on you out of this pennant here, and that candle dropped from $15 down to $13.50, $1.50 a share in just one candle, 1 minute. So just be careful with that one. She works as a wife. No. She's in medical school, so she's gonna be a doctor, but she doesn't get paid now, and she still has 2-3 years left. Well, 2 years of schooling and then 3-4 years of residency. She doesn't know yet. She's in medical school, so this is where they do rotations for every single thing. Well, not every single thing, like the main ones. So OB-GYN, family med, emergency, surgery, anesthesiologist, like they do all these rotations, and that's what she's got for this year and all of next year. And then after that, that's where she has to apply to residency, which at that point is what she wants to specialize in. So you only go to residency for whatever you want to do. So anesthesia or OB-GYN or family med only or whatever. Radiation oncology starting after residency pays about $350K. Yeah, once she's a doctor, I'm gonna be a stay-at-home dad. I already am. My goal is to make more than her every single year for the rest of our lives, and I've told her that. No matter what doctor she picks, my goal is to make more than her every single year. I've told her that. How long did you practice on simulation before being confident to go with real money? It's my second month this October in simulation. I didn't really use simulation. I used real money, but I used real money super small, so I make or lose $1, and then $5, and then $10, and there's no need. There's no need for you to scale up to making $500 a day or losing $500 a day if you can't even make consistently $5 a day. Volume is dead now everywhere. What are we looking at? Beats dropping down to 472. That was a key area there. Alright, Crypto, you have a good one, man. Bro, another person comes in here. Is this crypto or Forex? Do you guys not know stocks? Do you guys not know you guys can trade stocks? Beat retest of 5? Beats daily is pretty extended. We've been watching this one, and this one has not been on the scanners. This one has not been on the scanners every day, but it just grinds every day. You see, like pre-market, nothing, and then grinds, and then like pre-market, nothing, and then grinds. Pre-market, nothing, and then grinds. So this one's literally here again, no gapping, gap down, and then grinds still. But this daily on beat is pretty extended. I mean, look at the daily, and it's put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 days, and 7 of them are green. I think Sam Snead was kind of just saying retest the 5, like maybe an entry here, get the $5 retest, take your profit out the table, and then that'll be it. Which wouldn't be bad. Which if beat wanted another play, I think it has to flag right here 472. That's VWAP. That's 88 MA on the 5, and this kind of pivot here of support bouncing here left and right. Yeah. No, good thinking, Sam Snead. Sometimes you look at trades and you're like, this is not a trade for high of day, but this is a trade where I can at least take some and get a little bit of a winner. Yeah, sniper trades, yeah. Maybe that's smart money buying. ATXI trying to go again. I think Zach just said he got some ATXI. Here's the break of downtrend. Look at that trend line that I had earlier, right here. I just drew this trend line for you guys earlier, and I said if it drops down there, that could be a small ad. Didn't take it. Didn't see it, honestly. I tried like Ross. Pretty similar, yeah. Similar-ish. So FNGR was the play of the day. Let's see if missed. The only trade I took on this one was right here, and then I almost took this trade right here. This pullback there, I almost took that. I was looking for a little bit more, Never got a little bit more. Went without me. Zach, where did you take ATXI at? ATXI trying to open up a little bit more. If you're not on ATXI though, I'd be careful. This thing already flushed several times. So this thing might spike up to 1550 and flush, or this thing might spike up to 1550 and go, you know? Be careful. $14.20, good job. 50 cents a profit, a little bit. Right now, I'm currently not seeing anything super interesting. SPY is rallying though. SPY is breaking out of that downtrend, that falling wedge that I was calling out for you guys. So I could see SPY maybe go up a little bit. Anybody here is specialized in the large caps seeing SPY? What do you guys think SPY is going to pull up to? So here's kind of what I'm showing you guys on SPY. So look at this obvious falling wedge, right? Right there, right there, right there, right there, and then here, there, there, there. That's a nice falling wedge. Falling wedges tend to break to the top side. So I expect SPY to have a little bit of a decent bounce now, kind of a relief bounce. But I don't expect SPY to honestly go back up to high of days, all-time highs, 410, 420, 440. You know, I don't think so. I think this is going to pull back up, give us a nice little bounce, maybe 380s, 390s, maybe could reach 400s. 370 was a nice level, nice resistance support there, but I think we get a bounce here, and then I think another leg down probably. ATX is messing with you, Zach. ATXI messing with you, Zach. Yeah, Vikash, I have a Discord link in my bio, and I also trade live on tradecaster.com and YouTube, which you could see a lot more of my setup and a lot more people commenting and asking and chatting and stuff. So if you want to go over there, go ahead and do that if you want, or you can stay on TikTok. If you end up moving to YouTube or tradecaster.com, just let me know it's you so I know what's your username, or make it the same thing, Vikash. 390 is huge resistance on SPY. I'm not seeing anything. MRO just popped up on scanners, but it's probably going to be a slow grinder, being $20. Yeah. Slow grinder, not even grinder, kind of choppy all day, and now it's trying to break out. Beat low volume down to 472 still. This thing could turn around. I just don't know that this daily has another. Oh, actually, 472 was the previous high of day. This is the previous high of day. So definitely could flag over 472. I knew it was a resistance support here, but I forgot that it was a daily level too. No problem, buy cash. No problem, buy cash. WLDS. No, I don't like this. No volume. There's just no volume on stuff. If there's no volume, I'd rather you guys not take trades than to take a low volume trade with pretty bad risk to reward and then turn a decent day into a red day, or turn a red day into a bigger red day, or turn a green day into a red day. So we're just hanging in tight here. I really think just because FNGR went up straight up in the morning, everything else after that just kind of died. I guess Beat had some nice trades, but even this, I mean, the whole half of this move here on Beat, it was low volume. All of this was low volume. I don't trade Bitcoin or look at Bitcoin. So, people that are new here on YouTube or Tradecaster or even on TikTok, if you're hanging out for a while, what you guys think? You have any questions? What time frame is that in SPY 1? That was a 4-hour chart. Look at a 4-hour chart or a 1-hour chart. I think you see the patterns a little bit cleaner on the 4 hours and 1 hour. I do see FNGR over VWAP. But where is this thing gonna go? No way this thing goes back up to 6.2. It's gotta make a whole $1.20. Awesome, Vikash. On Discord, once I'm done trading, everybody goes on the Discord and keeps trading the markets there. So if you got any questions or anything, you can ask there or see the plays that we're calling out. You don't have to pay anything for the Discord. It's all free. Even my live streams are all free. So if you go to tradecaster.com, it'll ask you for a payment. Just cancel it. And then YouTube, obviously, it's free. So go subscribe, like my YouTube video, and you can watch me live there. I also post daily recaps, so I'll go over my trades at the end of the day and then explain them on a YouTube video. Discord. You want the Discord link? So Discord, and in the mornings, guys, as well. In the mornings, guys, I don't wake up that early. I mean, I'm here at least 15-20 minutes. One of these days, I'll wake up and trade live with you guys. Trade live with John in the morning. But even if I'm not trading live yet, which is not 15 minutes before market open, there's a lot of people chatting in the Discord pre-market, looking for trades, looking for what looks good, and you guys can take some pre-market trades there as well. Who took beat at 472? Are you guys still holding? Still holding that level. And then after the day is done, once I'm done trading, if I take any more trades or anything like that that I'm not streaming, I'll post them on the Discord or what I'm looking at. If beat reclaims $5, maybe beat does have another leg through 5 up to 517, but we will see. I feel like maybe a lot of shorts thought this one could be over, so if we start holding 5 and look at 517 new high, we might putting another high on this stock. Guys, I am sorry I keep clearing my throat, man. Oh, this one has an all-time high of 547? Beat has an all-time high of 547? Nice rip on silver. I have not watched silver at all today. If beat has a all-time high of 547, that changes everything. Silver high of 316 as well. Silver just spiked up, holding $3 right now. Silver might be looking at 316 high. If silver keeps holding $3, I will look for a trade from 3 to 316 new high. Let's see if we get a little pullback here on silver. Added on silver a little bit. I'm looking for this thing to curl up to 316 new high. I'm looking for silver to step it up and put in a new high of 316. I want to see buyers come in on this stock. I have 2,000 shares left. There's a little opening there. Looking for 316. Looking for 316 on silver. Have 1,000 shares left. Have not putting a new high there. Have not put in a new high yet, so I'm holding 1,000 shares here. Looking for the new high of 316 on silver. There's the new high. Sell half of that now. I have 500 shares left. See if we get the big squeeze. 500 shares left. My entry was $3, whole dollars, so I have 500 shares left at a break-even stop now. Nothing I could lose on this trade. If this pulls away, I'll start taking it small again. Kind of like this. Pulls up a tiny bit more. Break that wall of 320. There's 100 orders there. Does it break that wall? I'll descale a little bit. We have 4 seconds left on this candle. If we close over 316, we might put in another leg. 300 shares left. That 320 wall is pretty strong. There's the 320 wall break. Sell on the other side. 323. 323. Do we get another leg up? 323. I see 26 orders there. 30 orders there. 24 orders there. Not cracking. Cracked a little bit. 24 wall now. 54 orders there. 59. Sell a little bit more there. I have 100 shares left there. I'm fully out. Screw that. Screw that. Oh my gosh, beat. Oh my gosh, beat. Good thing we got distracted. It was trading something else. Oh dear lord, beat got beat. Who called sober out? Rome C. Rome C, you just made me an extra $300, Rome C. All you had to say, Rome, was nice rip on sober. Just that right there gave me an extra $306 with 55 cents on the day, bro. Just because you said sober rip. So, bro, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it, man. Robin He, nice trade. Appreciate it. Easy, guys. Same thing as always, right? We get a pop, look for your high, look for your target, pulls down, look where it's pulling down to. Look, volatile Monday and first day of October. Yeah, it's pretty good so far. I will say we sat here for a while with no volume stocks, nothing moving. But if you don't take trades with low volume and wait for the one that does have volume, nice trade, you'll get your money. So let's see. I don't know if I made an extra $100 before that one and then made $300, or if I just made $300. Yes, sir. Currently up $630 on the day now. Thank you, Rome C. Thank you, thank you. Just doubled my day. What's broker software? This is Thinkorswim. The broker is TD Ameritrade. The platform is Thinkorswim. Now, Sober didn't quite really pull away after that, but I mean, we'll keep watching this one. Alright, guys. Sniper trades. Calling it today. Took 2 trades. Both were sniper to the target. Let's do it again tomorrow. Rafiki, good job you got stopped, though. Good job you got stopped, though, because that thing dropped so fast. That's why I always say put your stops in place at least. You got to go eat breakfast. I think I saw Ape Chase was back to green, actually. Hold on, let me see. Oh, Andres also made $310 there. Good job, Andres, giving you a little fire emoji up there. Oh, Ape Trade's down 35, sorry. Oh, there, he posted it again. I had to scroll up. Alright, Blair's heading out. Thank you, Blair, for being with us. Appreciate it, appreciate it. Dang, Sniper Trades, you're going to be leaving us for a month? Well, dang. Nah, you better be out. Where are you going? Italy? You better be... what the heck is in my face? You better be out there in Italy and still be watching us. You need to tune in and watch us. You need to tune in and be part of the team, bro. ATXI, lots of move. ATXI, iffy. Tesla heading lower. Actually, Tesla's the one that dropped this morning. Oh my gosh. I wanted to short Tesla, but I never knew when. Damn, Tesla's collapsing, bro. Yeah. Well, you enjoy your vacation, Sniper Trades. Enjoy it. ADTX trying to recover VWAP as well. 375 level on ADTX is key. Low volume, but if we start holding VWAP 375, this one still has that $4, 412 high. And ATXI, honestly, I don't really want to mess with ATXI. I really don't want to mess with ATXI. Rome, see, you're buying Tesla for the long run. Guys, I need to go get some water or something. If you're buying Tesla, I mean, still scaling small. You know, all these stocks, I really do think that SPY is going to keep pulling back. I'm not saying this is a bottom. I'm not saying this is going to go down to zero. But, you know, always as stocks pull back down, always add a little bit and a little bit and a little bit and a little bit. Don't go in full 90, 100% of your portfolio because you think it's already super low, you know. I'd rather it reverse on you with a small share size and you're in and you're making a little bit of profit than for you to go 100% in and this thing still drops down another 10, 20, 30, 40% and then you have no more money to add and you're already down. So we're setting up a nice 5-minute flag. Ape Trace saying, I went to Italy last year, would wake up, have breakfast, enjoy the day, would go back to the Airbnb, shower, and trade around 8 p.m. and go out for the night. Such different feeling not to trade in the morning. Do you like that better, Rosendo? Do you like trading in the afternoon or the morning better? Juan is the best on YouTube. Yes, sir. If you're not subscribed and you're watching live right now, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Watch my recaps. Come turn live with us. Everything is free. Everything is free. Slowly buying. Good job, Rome. You know what you're doing, Rome. I don't need to tell you. I do feel like I need a cup of water, though. You guys keep watching SLBR. I didn't have time to get my usual cup this morning. So you guys give me 5 minutes. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna do this for my YouTube people. Sorry. It's the first time I can do this. I'll be right back. See, I don't think I'm getting sick with anything. I think my voice just gets like this for talking so much. What broker software is that? Thinkorswim. That's the first time somebody asked that is not on TikTok. Kind of thinking today might be the dip and rip day. For what? For Tesla? Sorry I threw an ad you guys' way. I do kind of, one of these days, I want to test it and see how much money it actually gives me. Like, I'm obviously not going to be doing a bunch of ads on YouTube, but one of these days I kind of want to throw like 10 ads in the morning and see if that day, the revenue comes in a lot more. Which is not going to be the big bucks. I just want to see how much, people can make on YouTube. SLBR 316 pivot. 326 high, and I do see 337 on the daily. Yeah, Rob. Yeah. I monetized. Okay, SLBR looking at 326. Looking at new high here potentially on SLBR. Let's see if we hold 316. Look at that volume come in. Candle gonna close here. Let's see if we get a nice little dip and rip for 326 high. Adding on this pullback here on SLBR. Let's see if this 1 minute flag is low volume and then we get the rip up to a new high of day. There it is. There was the volume come in on that pullback there. Now let's see if we rip through high of day. I'd only added small share size here. I just want to see if we get a new high of day 326. Honestly, I want to see if we rip up to 337, but now the volume kind of died real quick. Came in pretty strong down there at that dip and then kind of died. This candle is going to close here though. Low volume, 1 minute pullback. Let's see if this next candle just opens up for us. Kind of like this. And do we put in a new high? 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 Here it goes. There's the new high. Sell on that spike. 200 shares left. Now let's see if we open up. $329. I'm looking at 337 on the daily. It'll be a double top. So I want to see if we can at least go up to 337 on this one. Which at least it would be another 10 cents with 200 shares, 20 bucks. Not much, but let's just see if we get a nice little squeeze here. 329, there's the wall, 37.17, cracking 20, 19, 28, restack 23, restacked on that wall, did not break. Here goes attempt number 2 to a 329 break wall, right there, 29, 10 shares, 10, 17 orders. Nope, no break. 29, there it goes. Now 30 wall, 80 orders there. That's a lot more. Breaks, 333. Sell half there. I was looking for 337. 337. I'm 3 cents away. Just give me 337. If this hits 337, oh my gosh, guys. It's too easy. It's too easy to make money in this market. In the stocks, it's too easy. Thinkorswim, yes. No. Thinkorswim is the name of the platform, yes. Are you guys back with me? Where y'all at? Where's everybody at? I went to get a cup of water. I'm not muted, right? No. FNGR. No. So I think I added like $60 profit there. I don't think I've taken a single red trade today. That is incredible. Let me import my trades again. I am dialed in recently. I'm dialed in. I am dialed in. Look how beautiful this chart looks. 100% accuracy today, guys. Look at this. Boom, 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 boom. I am dialed in. Now it's looking for 350. Dang. What stocks are good to trade with? It depends. I mean, we're trading different stocks every single day. What's this? This is stock trading. What do you think about SMC, bro? What the heck is SMC? If this is some kind of cryptocurrency, oh, it is. Nope, it's not a stock. Sober, that 337 was a daily pivot, so I was looking for a double top, but I honestly just completely blindsided after that. Could have been looking for 350. So 347 now, I'm looking at 350, especially because there was a couple of walls through here that were pretty decent in size. I think I saw 101 closer to 330, 31 that got destroyed so fast, so maybe it had a little bit more room to go. Ape trades. Didn't you take this trade down here? 5 minute flag. There's 350. Break of 350. There you go. Didn't you take this trade down here, Ape trades? Man, look at this thing go now. Ape trades, are you calling out trades and not taking them yourself? Are you trying to scam people? Ape trades over here saying, "Oh look, this looks great," didn't even take it himself. Ape Trade's been playing the long game. He's been in my chat making calls and then having them all work even though he's not taking them, and then he's going to start charging them, make his own group and start charging for them and steal all of you guys. You are the man, lol. Awesome, Robin He. Man, damn, bro, read me like a book. SLBR left so much on the table. I need to do better at holding. I know my trades. I know my targets. But leave some runners. Leave some extra runners. Look at this. Even my first trade. Where's my first trade? Down here? One trade, two trades. Look at that, clean trades. One here, two there. But still, I mean, from where I sold 320s, 330s, leaving an extra 50 cents of profit. How much money do you average a day? Um, that's an interesting question. I think recently I've been averaging, let's say, $700 a day. Pretty consistently, though. I mean, look how much I'm up today. 683. Friday, 500. Thursday, 1,000. Wednesday, red day. Tuesday, 700. Monday, 200. You know, $700, pretty average. On SLBR, I would look for 337, but look at the time. Look at the 5 minute time frame, and that top candle on the 5 minute is gonna be a topping tail inverse hammer, so that is not good. So that topping tail at the top there is kind of iffy. You see the 1 minute, it's like, okay, that looks nice. But the 5 minute, it's about to close here in 2 minutes, and that is creating a very nice topping tail up there. Volume is lower, so that's one good thing, but we're still watching. Rome all out of sober from 260s to 365. See, I wish I could do that, Rome. How do you hold so long? Rome got in at 260s down here and out 365s. How? Is anybody still trading today? Anybody still looking at anything else that I'm not seeing? SYF on momentum scanner. Nothing there. SLBR kind of still almost looks like a pretty good 1 minute flag, but This thing has put in a big move already, so it's not bad for October. We got SLBR making a nice move. We got Beat making a decent move. We got FNGR out of the gates making a decent move. What else? ATXI was choppy. You know, you got some clean moves through here. Well, actually, no, you don't. I was gonna say I thought this was a clean move here, but no, very stuffed candle and then reversal there, and then I was like maybe this was the next move, but didn't realize it completely got stuffed. Grinded back, reverse, grinded back, pulled back again, so nothing there. ADTX, a ish okay move. Surprisingly, I didn't even trade this one at all. I think this is a pullback a lot of us were looking at for a 5-minute pullback. But I think this one pulled down too far and too aggressive for most of us, so we didn't take that trade there. So you give back more than 50% of that previous move, and then kind of grind it up, grind it up. This one we were looking for 412, never got it. Tesla is still dropping. Is this scalping? Scalping, day trading. I wouldn't consider myself a big scalper. Because, I mean, if you think I trade fast and I'm trading scalps here and there, I'm still looking for 5, 10, 15, 20 cent moves. Scalpers literally make their money on 2 pennies, 3 pennies, 1 penny, you know, like quick little scalps. And they're buying and selling way more than me. I try to look for the big move and try to understand the stock. Not, hey, I expect the 3 cent move here, I'm getting this trade here, 3 cent move, I'm out. So I do think there's a slight difference. And I know some real scalpers, and I mean, these people are taking 300 trades a day, 400 trades a day, 500 trades a day. It's insane numbers. I am for 50 cents to $1 on my trades. Roman, you definitely get that. I don't know how, man. Manny, what's up, Manny? Guys, is anybody here an expert with YouTube ads or any kind of ads? Maybe, maybe not. I want to be like you. Hey man, learn stocks. Learn how to trade stocks. It's possible. I do this every day, completely free. You guys see me make money. It's legit. I mean, I know. I don't know if I've told you guys this. When I first learned about day trading, I kid you not, I had no idea what it was. One of the first things I typed in on Google, and please tell me what's the dumbest thing you guys doubted about day trading, because this is one of the first things I typed into Google. Instead of saying like is day trading legit and stuff like this, I don't know why one of my questions was, is day trading legal? I went on Google and I literally typed in, is day trading legal? Anybody ever thought about that as a beginner? I guess I don't know. I mean, and Google gave me an answer. I was like, day trading is definitely legal, although they're not looked upon or something like that. Like, all they do is profit off of companies and people trying to take money from companies and this stuff. And I'm like, I don't care. What you want to know about ads? Just how to run them. I mean, I've looked a couple of videos and stuff, but just kind of in general, I don't. I mean, I don't know numbers, statistics, like all that stuff. Just it says as in your active trader. What's that? Oh, right here. I don't know what it stands for, but whenever I have shares like this, say I have selected 500 and I start clicking down and I punch the sell button, for some reason it puts in that AS, and it's very annoying because I've never really thought about what it is or how to change it. But it's pretty interesting because whenever I'm like selected something and then I down click, I change it from my defaults and I click the sell or buy button, it puts IAS and then that number, and for some reason it locks it, so I can't scroll up and down on after that anymore. So it's pretty annoying because, for example, for my runners, I'll have 500 or 1500 and say I want to sell 300, so I go down and click 300. But now I have 200 shares left after I sold 300. I can't scroll down to 200 at that point. I have to go back, click to 500, and then 1, 2, 3, and then down to 200. So it's very small little quick moves. But you guys can see me do that. I'm pretty sure I did it through this move here. I was at 500, scroll down 300, sold, and then it puts the AS. For some reason, I can't move it. I go back, click 500, reset it, and then down to 200. And then at that point, I usually do hundreds or like the minimum amount so I can take them out smaller. Even though I have more, I can sell with my Shift A, whatever this is, but then Shift S is completely flattened. So therefore, I'm covering both things. If I have, let's say, 500 shares left, I can click Shift A and sell 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. Or if it tanks on me or something like that, then I can click Shift S and then sell the 500. So at that point, I'm kind of covering two trades. You know, like if I want to go a little bit out or if I want to fully out. But what you want to do ads on Google, not Facebook, for example. Any specific reason? It is almost 11:30 a.m. now. Is it time for me to get off, Robin? Um, no, I just ads in general. I mean, I know how to do Facebook ads, but I never thought about just running Facebook ads. But I don't know why I was thinking of YouTube ads. Added sober 334. Okay, looking for that flag. Low volume pullback. I think the dip on this one could be 326 though. That's where the ADMA is, and that's where these previous pivots are on sober. But that's not a bad ad. I don't know. I guess. And then also, last time I did Facebook ads was like 3, 4 years ago, so it's been a while. I'm sure everything's changed, but I don't know. To Mimi, are you experienced with both of them or Facebook ads? Do you recommend one over the other? I just want to see if I can. On Google, you need to just create a campaign and specify the purpose of the campaign. You're on PEPG from 899. PEPG. Oh my gosh, how are you in this trade? Dang. So which one are we looking at? It looks like beat died, right? Yeah, beat died, so nothing there. FNCH, no. ATXI, no. FNGR, probably gonna fade all day. ADTX, we were looking for $4, nothing there. So it looks like sober might be the only play now. Happy October, yes. I think you can do it on Google Ads too, though. To Mimi, I was looking at some videos and I'd see people type in like, you can type in even on YouTube because it's paired with YouTube. You can even do like target specific. I think it's specific channels or specific videos that people watch and or stuff like that. It's pretty incredible. That's why you really need somebody that knows what they're doing. I mean, I guess I can figure it out myself, and I probably will. I just didn't know if somebody was like an expert or does ads for a living, you know. That's also true. I think Facebook is a whole different. Well, not fully, but I do think Facebook might be a different audience than more people on YouTube or even TikTok. I think you can probably post to TikTok, and then also with Facebook though, I have Instagram though, so that you can post to Instagram with Facebook. Show all the screen. It's TikTok, man. If I show all the screen, you won't be able to see anything. If you want to see my whole screen, go over to YouTube and Tradecaster. It's because the vertical screen on TikTok that I can't show it all. T4Y13RB. Here is my suggestion to you. You can learn charts, candles, patterns, all that stuff, price action. But if you learn all that, go to YouTube and you're gonna have to find videos and learn. That's what I did. Just go find videos. But if you really want somebody to guide you and really help you, you're seeing me make money in front of you, and you know that I'm making real money. I'm not playing with fake money or anything like that. If you want, I have a course that I offer, and the link is in the bio. Just type in 150 off at checkout, and you get $150 off, and you will get everything you need in that course, like from complete beginner, what is stock, what are candles, how to read candles and stuff like that, and then all the way to the end to strategies, patterns, indicators, volume, all that stuff. And along with the course, you have unlimited access to it, but then you also have unlimited access to me. So you'll have unlimited questions you can ask me. If you need help with something, I'll help you out, explain it. If you start taking trades, you want me to review them, why you lost, why they didn't work, I'll do that as well. So you can do that as well. It's your boy Silbers. I took a lot of trades today. If you want to see exactly all the trades that I took and why I took them, I'm going to post a recap video later on showing you how I made close to $700 today in pretty much an hour. So go click the link in the bio on TikTok, go to my YouTube channel, and then I should be having a recap there later on. LITM, somebody's calling it LITM. I was watching Sober since Undress was in there. What's up, Sony? LITM, let's see. Nope, nothing on LITM either. What's up, Sony? Did you trade anything today, man? How'd you do today? I'm just looking now. I'm not seeing anything obvious. I'm not seeing anything worth taking a trade right now. So if that's it for me today, I'm happy. I'm up $700 on the day, so I'll take that any other day. Um, Sony, come on, SLBR, give us that 350 break. It's close, man. It's close. Volume is dying, man. On SLBR address, volume is dying. That 326 could be a nice pivot. How come I never do options? That's what I've been doing. Easy. I trade penny stocks, low float stocks, right? So, for example, if I look at OBR and SLBR and I go to look at options, they don't have any. Well, probably don't have any. Let me see. Yep, they don't have any. As instruments, SLBR has no options. And so, a lot of the stocks I trade, these low cap penny stocks, don't have options. I guarantee you, Beat probably doesn't. ADTX probably doesn't. ATXI probably doesn't, and SNTI probably doesn't. You know, those are all the stocks that I was looking at and trading this morning. There's 326 pivot, Andres. Careful here, though. This could have been the place to add if you're not in, and I would probably stop at under VWAP. So easy as that is, most of the stocks that I trade don't have options. So if I was to trade options, I'd have to completely, basically, not look at any of the stocks that I'm watching, and then only trade the large caps. Which I mean, it's gonna be kind of tough to do a little at first, you know. And I don't see why I should do that. I mean, I'm having good profits, good consistent profits with the low caps, and so that's what I specialized in. Not that I have anything about against options. I love options. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, and that's totally true. FNCH, John's calling it out. FNCH back to new high, 41.5. Yeah, yeah. And I've also thought that too. You know, there's so many times where I'm like, I'm looking for trades. I'm looking for stocks. I'm looking for a penny stock to start gapping. And there's not. And if you trade Tesla every day, you don't got to worry about anything. All you got to look is Tesla. You know the levels, you know resistances, you know the pattern, how it's been trading. So I always wonder if that itself would be, pretty cool to know the stock and you trade it every day. But how are we gonna start? If you want to start, YouTube has everything that you need, or like I just mentioned earlier, my course on TikTok bio can get you started. Yes, you do have to pay for it, but obviously you have to pay to learn and put some effort and money into it. And then once you learn this skill, this can pay you back. Use 150 off at checkout and you get $150 off. So 150 and then OFF. Yeah, yo, thanks, bro. Hold AC guy here. What? From a marketing standpoint, you should have links to all your other stuff on YouTube as well. If not in the video description, at the very least in the section of your channel. I have them on my. Is there another way that I can put them in? I have them all on my videos. I have the links all down below. Is there another page on YouTube? Oh, there is an about section on YouTube. Interesting. I did not know that, J Hart. I did not know that. Thanks for that, J Hart. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Show me the point. It's in my link. If you go to the TikTok bio link, there's a link to my course, and that is honestly going to teach you everything that you need. And then, of course, you're going to have me to help you along the way. It's not like I'm going to give you the course and you're on your own. I will actually try to help you and teach you and stuff. So if you want to do that, go ahead and do that. 150 off for the discount. Does 95% really fail? That's an... Oh, Ape Traits is back in the green. Good job, Ape Traits. Yeah, thank you, Jay Hart. I'll definitely make sure to do that. And then, John, I mentioned FNHC on Tradecaster. And FNHC right now hitting new highs. No trades for me there, but hitting new highs. And then Ape Trades took that 5-minute flag on silver, called it out as well on Tradecaster right here. And look at this thing bouncing. Now Andres should be back in the green, and John should be, and an Ape Trade should be in a green trade. Does 95% really fail? I would say yes and no. I think a lot of the people that get into trading do fail, but that's because they don't have the right stuff to study. I hit max loss for the day. Oh no, John. Hey, good. My gosh, Ape Trades. Please tell me you're in this thing, Ape Trades. Yeah, it's a misconception. Somebody else just said that in my comments. It's a misconception that 95% fail. Why do 95% fail? Because the 95% that fail don't actually give it a legit try. They come in here and expect to make $5,000 the first week. They lose all their money and they're done. That's not gonna work. If you come into the markets and really learn the skill, don't focus on the money and then give it 2 or 3, 4 months and you start being profitable. Then you start scaling up, and then I guarantee you, the people that stay with it for 6 months to a year, 95% of them do not fail. I am new to the channel, but I am really enjoying what I am seeing so far. Keep up the good work. J Hard, awesome, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Do you day trade already? Or are you trying to learn? Good job, Andres. Ape Trades, bro. You got butter hands, man. Ape Trades got butter hands. I'm calling you out, Ape Trades. Ape Trades took that trade right there. What do I think of Relentless Trader? I love him. Him and Mighty, both my friends. Thanks, Swan and the team. Thanks. The best team. Awesome, Andres. You still holding, Andres? You still got small shares? I do trade, but I'm still learning small size until I get consistent. There you go, J Hart. J Hart, you're doing it the right way, man. I don't know you first time in here, but you saying that already tells me you being smart about it. So good job. I took a business from 0 to 100K a month in 1 year. If you provide a solid service, it will come. Be patient with growth. Dang, Rob, tell me how you did that so I can do that too. Andres calling it for the day. I think John is the max loss today, which I give you props, John. Going on streak right now, bro. Good job, Sony. Good job, man. John, good job on being responsible and calling it a day, man. Bro, talk to us. I am talking to you. What you got? Did I miss a question you asked? Yeah, go check out my YouTube. I trade live every morning and I post recaps mostly every day explaining all my stuff. So make sure you subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and leave a comment. How do I get this app? It's called TD Ameritrade. Oh, you said, bro, I'm here just now. What's up, man? LVL level 69. What you got? You got a question for me? No, I'm asking you. No, I think I had a red day last week, but I've been doing pretty good. I mean, let me give you some quick stats. In the last 30 days of trading, I've only had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red days in the last 30 days. Only 5 red days in the last 30 days. SLBR kind of pulling pretty aggressively, stuff in the 5-minute candles, so not interested on this pull. Where's my mouse? What the frick? I lost my mouse. But, you know, our job is not to take that breakout sometimes. Our job is to nail the bottom, and that was it right there. Good job, Ape Chase. Good job, Andres. Good job. Oh, okay, John. Yeah, ATXI was just a chop fest today. I recognize that it's on like day 3, 4 of rallying, and so no trade for me on ATXI. How much have you made in 1 month? Enough to make this a full-time job. You're a big extra, bro. Keep it up. Thanks, man. Thanks. Let me know how I can help you. Let me know how I can teach you how to trade stocks so you can do the same. Is there a video with your trading journey? No, but I've thought about doing that. I thought about making a full video of my whole journey and posting it. So when I get some free time, I'll do that for sure. FNCH maybe still has some more, maybe to 47, maybe to 50, honestly. This could have been nice. And then somebody asked me my whole trading strategy. There's a lot. There's not just a one trade strategy that makes you all the money, right? So there's several ways that I trade the market. I don't trade a lot of different things though. I know what I'm looking for and I trade those, but yeah. So if anybody's watching for the first time here today, I really appreciate you guys coming in, staying, hanging out with us. I will be live tomorrow, 15 minutes before market open, not 3 minutes, 15 minutes before market opens. Maybe new high on FNCH. Where is this thing? I hate these four number tickers here. When did I turn the corner? I think I turned the corner pretty fast compared to a lot of people. But that's because I did it the right way the first time. I came in here and I studied for 6 to 8 months. Opened a trading account. I think I had it on cash first, but I mean, the first day I was like, oh my god, this is legit. I can make a lot of money. Within the first week or two, I put in enough to go over PDT. And just because I had $25,000 to trade doesn't mean I was using $25,000 to trade. There's 47, John. Good job. Um, what's it called? What was I talking about? Oh, so even though I had $25,000 in the account, I was not trading with $25,000. I was making or losing $5 a day, $10 a day, and then $15 a day, and then 20, and then I scaled it up to $100 a day. I think pretty early. I think within the first 3 or 4 months, I was making $100 a day. I did have a pretty big loss at that point, which was a $1,000 loss. Probably in the first 3 or 4 months of trading, which I guess probably could have canceled a month, 2 months of profit. But I didn't give up. I mean, I kept going. So, I mean, if you take that out, maybe 3 or 4 months. But if not, I mean, I did. And when I say I did research for 6 to 8 months, I did research for 6 to 8 months. I watched the market every day. I watched recap videos every day. I watched 2 or 3 traders every day. I watched and went back into the market and said, okay, here could have been a good trade. That could have been a breakout. I see it. You know, I did that all for 6 to 8 months. And it took me a while to open the account until I finally did it. I mean, I could have opened the account a lot earlier and started trading, but it took me a long time. But guys, I mean, I don't know how many of you guys are completely new to trading and you're FNCH wildin'. I see it right now. Could be make the move to 50 cents. But I don't know how many of you guys are here and don't believe in day trading, or somebody is telling you day trading is gambling, day trading is a scam. Guys, I do this free, and I've done this free almost this whole year, and I have 100 people here telling you that this is legit. Okay, John. Yeah, take a step back, figure out some things out, and then make it work, John. That's good. That's good. Um, I've been doing this live completely free, and I got over 100 people every single day, and they can all tell you, man, this guy's legit. He's making real money every single day, consistently for over a year, right? That I've been doing live. I've been doing this for 3 years, but it's not a scam, guys. Day trading is not a scam. If you learn the skill, the money will follow. I've been trading. I mean, I've been sitting here for 2 hours, but I traded 1 hour this morning. 1 hour this morning, and this is how much I've made today. Oh, wrong month. And this is how much I am up today. Yeah, $683. People work 40 hours a week to make that, and I made it in 1 hour. Sitting on my computer clicking buttons. People worked 40 hours of labor, of manual labor, of anything like that, to make $700 a week, and I made it here in 1 hour. Oh yeah, so if you guys are comparing RT's method of trading compared to mine, RT and Mighty and all of those people over there, they're legit scalpers. I think I was going over this earlier. For real, I'm so invested now. Yeah, I mean, I've made $700 today. Yeah, yeah. Bro, you're living my dream. This is why I picked up day trading. This is why if you put the effort and you make it work, you will make it work. Just be smart about it. Don't go stupid, blow up all your money and lose your account, you know? You killed it last month. Honestly, September was pretty slow, but even after it being slow, I did pretty good in September. Yes, I started off red the first week. I think I had two losses. I was down like 2 or 3 grand within the first week, um, and then I made it all back and ended up pretty good on the month. So yeah, Juan is legit. Legit. We appreciate your time. Not only are you making money, but you're also helping us make some money on the way. How long has it been since you turned the corner? I mean, it's been 2 years, 3 years. I've been trading for 3 years, counting the 6 to 8 months. So it's been like 2 years trading, and I mean, I haven't had a red month all year. You should ask for people. Yes, people. If you guys are watching the YouTube video, make sure you hit like. Make sure you subscribe, please. 22 likes, and I've had like over 100 viewers at some point. So get those likes up. Get those likes up. Man, a lot of questions right now. A good thing I'm done trading. I would not be answering this many questions if it was the first hour, hour and a half of market open. So if you guys have any questions, let me know right now. Juan is the place to be for above or below PDT. Man, I'm the place to be anywhere. I mean, I'll help you guys. I'll help you guys. I'm down for 100 a day. Yeah, man. You're at first. That's what you think. At first, you're like, I'll be fine making $20 a day, and then you're making $20 a day consistently, and you're like, you know what? I want $50 a day, and then you want $100 a day, and then you want $1,000 a day, and then it doesn't stop, man. Day trading does not stop. It's not like your job. It's not like your $8, $10, $15 hour job. You know, if you want to make $1,000 a day in day trading, and you have the money to, you can. If you want to make $20,000 a day day trading, you can. I'm not up to that level, guys. Yeah, I'm making good money, yes, but there's people that make $20,000 a day, $100,000 a month. You know, crazy, crazy numbers. Any other books you recommend to retain and reference this information? I never read a book. Honestly, I think experience is all you need. Just come in here every morning, watch the markets, trade live with me, see where I'm trading, watch my recaps, where I'm buying, where I'm selling, why I'm doing that, and I think that in itself is going to help you more than finding a video that, oh, this strategy is 100%. No, it's not. Reading this book and saying, this strategy is, whatever this. No, it's not. Mental books, yes. I like how he's not like the other traders. He's not cocky or none, just genuine advice and help. A lot of traders out there, I guarantee you, they probably can't even consistently make money in the market like me. So if you, kind of hit what I'm trying to say, it's exactly what I'm trying to say. I think Sony. I think I'm gonna pull the trigger pretty soon here and look into opening a short account, man. I think I have to. What stock did I trade today? I actually didn't have a single red trade today. So I traded FNGR. I made $160. I traded FNHC. I made $50. I traded Beat. I made $110, and I traded Silver and made $366. And look at my P&L: green trade, green trade, green trade, green trade, green trade, green trade. This right here is where I'm telling you is day trading gambling. You would never get 6 in a row in gambling. It's not gambling. Yeah, one is for sure legit. Are you looking to scale higher? I am. Yeah, I'm trying. This month I'm trying, but we'll see how it goes. If the opportunities are there, I will take them with bigger share size and see if I can scale up to bigger profits. Yeah, consistency is definitely the hardest part. I'm not saying day trading is easy, guys. It's not. But if you come in with the right mentality and work on consistency, work on the skill, as opposed to, hey, let me try to make $5,000 this first month, then you will go a long way if you try to master the skill first. What did I do before trading? I think I get a lot of this question asked because you guys are wondering how I got over PDT rule. But I have an accounting degree and I was doing my CPA. And that's when I started day trading. And last year, 2021, I was doing like quadruple the amount of money that I was doing this year. I think market conditions were just different. Um, and so that's when I dropped out of that and I started doing this. So I never really worked an accounting job. I did it for a little bit, like literally less than 6 months, little less than 5 months, not too long ago on the side. But I was like, it's wasting my time. Day trading is gonna help me more and pay me more, so I stopped doing that. But that is not how I got over PDT rule. Over PDT rule, I got over PDT rule because when I was in high school, I was a busboy, I was a cook, I was pressure washing driveways, I was helping my dad in construction. I painted houses, looked out where I could make money, and I saved and I saved and I saved and I saved. They distributors, yeah. For everybody on TikTok that's watching, I have a link to my Discord in bio. Go ahead and click that link and join it. It's completely free, and then you can ask me any questions you guys still have there. If you guys put in the work and you wanna learn it all on your own, that's fine. If you ask me questions that are legit, I'll help you for free. But if you want to know exactly what to study, cut around trying to find YouTube videos, who's legit, who's not, what strategies are good or not, then I have my course link in the bio, and then you can just get that. Obviously, I have to charge for it. It took me a lot of months to make that, but if you're interested on that, use the code 150 off at the checkout page and you get $150 off. And then I'm gonna work with you one on one every time you need help or anything like that. Juan Trades is more than legit. He's constantly profitable. Thank you, appreciate it, man. Maybe CSCW can make a move. Let me see. That's so being down, Ape Trades. Oh man, I don't think I'd ever had that many questions asked. Stock options are completely different. I would not recommend trading options first. Options, you can make a lot of money, but it's an easy way to lose money as well. You're more likely to lose more money doing options, especially if you don't know what you're doing, than trading shares. So I would not try to learn options. And to understand options, you have to understand shares first and the stock and prices. So yeah. How long? How do you analyze the market and how long? Bro, yeah, J Hard. There should be links under all my videos. So, but here, I'll give it to you, man. I'll give it to you right here. So here's my Discord link. And if you're here early in the mornings and you want to look at pre-market, I got a lot of people watching the market in pre-market hours in my Discord, so they'll start calling out trades there. And then obviously I come in live during market hours. And then when I get off of market hours, I mean when I get off of streaming, people go back to my Discord and chat on there for any possible helps. The stuff on this side. What is that, Sony? Oh, FNCH for John. Yeah, I don't think I want to chase this one anymore. Look at the 5 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green candles on the 5 minute. I definitely could have taken another trade here. I could have taken this pullback here, or I could have anticipated this pullback here for the break of 50 cents. Oh, how do you analyze the market and how long? So this morning, I woke up late. I just didn't sleep well, long weekend. I woke up late. I literally woke up 5 minutes before market open, but obviously I'm consistent. I know what I'm looking for. I literally woke up 5 minutes before market open. I sat here within like 2 minutes before market open. I looked at a stock. I quickly looked at it. I quickly jumped in it, and I made $160 that fast. Like literally in the first 30 seconds of market, in the first minute of market open, right here. $160 right there. I woke up and I traded all within 10 minutes and I was up $160 on the day. So that was kind of crazy. But usually I take a look at the market 15-20 minutes before market opens, so I give myself some time. You were so mad. No, I'm mad I got out of it early, and I'm mad I didn't jump in here for this pullback. But I mean, you can't really do that when it's so extended. You know, if I miss a trade, I miss a trade. I'd rather miss it than take a stupid trade and go red. So. But yeah, that trade right there, 2,500 shares from, I mean, look at this potential, guys, for everybody on TikTok. I took 2,500 shares. I made $160. If I would have held that trade for 5 minutes, I would have gone from $4 to $6. That's $2 a share on 2,000 shares. That would have been $4,000. A 1K trade for sure, yeah. J Hart, I think I sent you the Discord link, so let me know if it worked or if I sent some for some reason the wrong one. Let me see if you joined it. Also, guys, if you guys end up going to the Discord links, if you have completely different names, just let me know who's who, you know. I think most of us have the same names, but every once in a while I'll get a Juan on YouTube and his name is Pablo on Discord. I'm like, who are you, man? But now I'm like, oh, that's you, okay. Oh yeah, no, I don't even know if you can put descriptions on lives, can you? See, dude, I'm just illiterate to all this stuff, man. Trading, ask me anything, but anything else? All right, Sony. Hey, Sony, thanks for coming in here, man. Appreciate you stopping by, saying hi to us, letting us how you're doing, and checking in with me. So I appreciate it, Sony. You take care, and hopefully I'll see you around, man. Keep killing the market, man. What's up, Smitty? What do you see exactly to jump in that trade? What trade? This one? Just a small pullback of high pre-market day, pre-market high, right here, 434. Breaks out of it, pulls down to 434, and my trade was somewhere around there. 439 was my entry, 443 was my exit. But look at that, I sold right there and right there for $160, and this thing still went up another $2 a share. I don't think I'm gonna find another trade today, guys. I'm up $700 on the day. I don't think I want to ruin that. So if you guys are here to find and take some more trades with me, I don't think I'm going to. I don't see anything even closely setting up for another trade. FNCH might be the one, but pretty extended. Maybe ADTX back up to $4, 412. But other than that, I might be done. So if you guys want to ask a couple more questions, go ahead. It's already 11 where I'm at, so it's usually about the time I get off 2 hours, 2.5 hours of trading. So I really do want to see ATXI squeeze rock hard and destroy shores. Just would be fun to see. Yeah. Hi, Idol. What's up? We'll join Discord and invest in the cores. I appreciate your help. Yeah, no problem. I need to. Okay. Um, you said research for 6 months. When did you find your most valuable info and where? I think literally the most valuable info is watching the market every day. I started noticing that myself. I'm learning more from watching the market than watching all these other people telling me fake indicators and strategies that just don't work. You know. But yeah, guys, if you get on my Discord and my course, guys, I legit do not leave you alone. Like every day I'm asking you guys if you need help. I'm posting my trades on there as well with like the strategies that I taught in the course that you guys are seeing the explanations for and live examples, and then you guys are seeing how I'm applying them every single day. So today I'll go back and say, look, this strategy right here came off of this section in the course, and this is what I looked for and stuff like that. So what time are you hopping on next? Tomorrow morning, 15 minutes before market opens. So that's 8:15 Central Time. I'm new to all this, but willing to learn and pay somebody. You're in the right place, man. You're in the right place. Seems not an easy day to trade for me. Robin he FNGR going. I don't see it. 0711 Sassy. Let me know how I can help you, man. Or lady, I can't see the picture. Sorry. Sorry if I called you a man. Yeah, you guys let me know. If you guys really are interested in the course, I'll give you guys the big discount. So 150 off. 150 off. At checkout page and you get $150 off. And if you guys are really not really going, I see it. Juan Trades, how did you find the tickers that you trade today? Gappers. So looking at the gappers, looking at anything moving with volume. Once again, in my course, I showed you exactly how to find those gappers, what to look for, what they mean, like all the settings that I'm looking for, and everything that I have inputted into my gappers. If you guys have any more questions about the course, you can always DM me on Discord first, and I'll help you out. Hold on, I got a DM over here. Oh, okay. So guys, I'm gonna say this just real quick. Somebody on my TradeCaster team made $4,200 today. $4,200. They don't want to say who it's who, and I'm gonna respect them. But awesome job there. $4,200, guys. When was the last time you think you can make $4,000 in one day, guys? Awesome, awesome job. Good job, man. Good job. And very humble, man. I appreciate it. SLBR trying again. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. Like I said, there's no limits to trading. You could make as much as you want. Um, 25,000 day trade. Yes and no. You can trade with less than that and still make money. There's just a couple things you have to understand. Um, but you can look it up. Just look up PDT rule, and that's what it is. PDT rule. And then as well, you know, it's covered in my course what it is and how to get around it, and giving you examples of how you can trade with less than $25,000 and still trade every single day, several trades a day, and make money. So that's all in the course as well. How do you execute and look at to get your low entries? How do you execute and look at to get your low entries? Thinkorswim ladder or candles? Candles. I'm looking at the candles when I take the trade because I can visually see that level there, and looking at there. If I want to see how many buyers are there, I'll take a look at the ladder real quick, but mostly the candles, yeah. If you want financial freedom, day trading could be it. I mean, I made $700 today in 2 hours, and I'm done for the day. Now I enjoy the rest of my day. People on YouTube, you guys, if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the like video so more people see it. Leave some comments. Let me know what you think. If it's your first time here, give me some feedback. Tell me what I did bad. Tell me how bad of a trader I am. And then come back tomorrow so I can make money again. I'm kidding. No, I really do appreciate all you guys coming in here. I might be calling it here soon. I'm usually done 2.5 hours, maybe 3 hours at the max after market open, and I'm not seeing a lot of action. ATXI to me is the only one holding, but I'm not trading that stock. FNCH, I guess I can look at FNCH. Maybe cheap stock. Maybe it's got another leg in it. Deckmart Trakes posting his little analysis on SPY there on chat. You guys can check it out. And when it dumps hard. What you did bad was never telling us which platform you're using. I know Thinkersome. If one more person asks what platform I am using today, if one more person asks, I will end the stream without saying bye. I'm just kidding. John, how are you doing, man? How are you holding up emotionally, man? John, long or short? Hey, I haven't heard you short a lot of things recently. Is that Weeble? This is Weeble. Yeah, sign up and you get a free stock. Give it to me. Do you use Thinkorswim from TD Ameritrade? Yes, I do. What is the time frame you're using? The one you are looking at on TikTok is a 1 minute time frame. So every candle is 1 minute. No, John, for real, how are you doing today, man? I know you're at max loss. Nothing you can't recover of, but I think you've had consecutive red days, I think. I know you killed it last month and did pretty good, but still, they can get you emotionally messed up for a little bit. So if you gotta take a day off, you take a day off. If you come back tomorrow, small share size, do that. But just checking out on you, man. Hopefully you're doing good. I know you're not a quitter, you're a grinder, so you'll be back. You're Undressed 2.0. You are Undressed 2.0. Oh no, GDA trader, you know better. No bag holding in here. I'm cool, man. Thanks. I'm writing down notes right now to keep the reminders on paper in front of me for tomorrow. Awesome. Good job, man. Good job. Zach, is Zach still in here? Is Zach still watching? Zachary. Is his name Zachary? I don't know if his full name is Zachary or not. The trader. What you got, the trader? I think I've seen you type 2 or 3 times and I don't see a comment come through. TikTok people, you guys have any more questions? Or my YouTube people? Hit the thumbs up, subscribe. Watch my recap later on today. I will break down all of the trades from this morning. Alright, no more questions. I might be calling it a day. Who is green on Tradecaster and YouTube, or even TikTok if you guys are trading? I want to see who made money today. Who is green? Come on, come on. Blow up the chat. Blow up the chat. Or everybody's profits. Whether you made money or you lost money. Let's go. I want to see how we all did today. We had a little bit of action today. So Rome C on YouTube, green. Rafiki on Tradecaster, green. Traders typing. J Hard, small green. I'll take that. Rosendo is green. The Trader's green. The other Scott, green, $200. Awesome, awesome. Robin He, green, $30. Who else are we missing? Ape Trades, I think, got back to green. Blair was green before he headed out. Sniper Trades was up like over $1,000. I can't even trade, bro. My Spanish teachers takes away my phone. What the heck? This is an L. Final toast. I like it, guys. I like it. Red, waiting on going green. Right now, not. One thing I do have, guys, on my Discord, I have that profit and loss. Let's try to start using that a little bit more because I think a lot of people go over to the Discord first, and if they see the Discord and nobody's posting on profits and losses or nobody's posting on just general stuff, they might be leaving the Discord right away or not be interested. So if you guys are still trading and you make money or you lost money, make sure to go over there on Discord and post it. Let's all try to be a little bit more consistent on that so we also know and hold each other accountable. I think I'm going to end the stream here, guys. If you guys came in late, I am up $683 on the day. I think I did pretty good trading. I don't think I didn't have a single red trade. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 trades today, $700 profit, no losers. Alright, guys. Looks like I'm going to head out for the day. Juan, you traded ADTX today, right? No, ADTX is the only one I didn't trade that was decent. ADTX, I was looking for a flag under 4, but never got a clean flag. I think this right here is the one I was looking for, but pulled down too much. Ended up holding it and then reversed, but I didn't take that one. And then after that, I was looking for break 4, hold $4, and I wanted it to go up to 412 because 412 is high. TOS question: when you place drawings on the 5-minute, is there a way that the drawings don't go to the 1-minute? Yes, I don't know how to do it. Oh, right here. I think you go down here on each chart and then drawing set default. I think you have to put set as new drawing set. So if I put set as new drawing set, I think you save it, and then whatever you do on one chart, it won't do it on the other one. Do I use a custom built computer? I do, yes. My computer is custom built by my friend. Which, if you guys have any computer questions, any technology questions, anything to do with computers, monitors, cables, anything like that, his name is Infinite Scrub on my Discord right here. This is him, Infinite Scrub, with that little animated emoji. So there is a section on here actually. There was a section somewhere. Oh, PC setup questions right here. If you guys have any PC setup questions or anything like that, go ahead and ask Infinite Scrub right here, and he will help you out. Mersa used him, and I think Mersa said nothing but good things about him. So, and he knows what he's doing. He obviously built my PC. Juan, I do have some questions to ask you. I'll DM them, bro. Yeah, go ahead. DM them to me. Es increíble lo rápido que aprendiste y la consistencia que tienes. Congrats, bro. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. So he said it's incredible how fast you learn and the consistency you have. So appreciate that, man. I don't use MetaTrader. I use Thinkorswim. And I think MetaTrader, I might have heard something that it got discontinued or like you can't download it anymore or something. So I'm not sure anything about it. I'm not sure. But I use Thinkorswim. So TD Ameritrade is a broker. Thinkorswim is the app. All right, guys. I'm gonna end the stream here. So you guys have a good rest of your day. I will see you guys tomorrow. I promise I will be here 15 minutes before market open. So if you guys want to watch me trade live, it is going to be 8:15 Central Time. So whatever time you are in right now, 8:15 Central Time, convert it to your time, and that's when I will be going live. SLBR, a little bit of lower volume as we're approaching high of day, so be careful. Look at this decrease in volume, even though stock's going up, so that's a little bit of a divergence there. Alright, guys, I will be heading out for the rest of the day, and if you guys have any more questions, Discord's where you find me. If you guys want the course, 150 off at the checkout page, and you can get it, and let me know if I can help you or how I can help you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow, and y'all have a good rest of your day. $700 in the day today. Awesome.